welcome back to my channel. I'm finally filming part 2 of No Bleach Lighteners, I think. So I was in Target looking for something to use for this series. All I really seen was the No Bright, No Bleach, which I already did. And it was alright, I wasn't really mad at it. I wanted to try something different, obviously for the sake of the video. And I did see something really interesting. This was at Target. This is Haley by Haley, and it's called Color Cloud. They have all different shades, and what it is a demi-permanent foaming hair dye. I'm not gonna pretend to know what demi-permanent means. I'm gonna go Google it. Alright, so demi-permanent dyes are very gentle on the hair. There's no ammonia. They're less permanent. So it's really interesting to me that this is a blonde. It's supposed to be lightening, but it's semi-permanent. And I'm a little bit mind-boggled. So it is a atomic, like a light ash blonde that washes out in 4 to 6 weeks. And if you look at the side of the box, you might think, oh, maybe it's for people that are already blonde that want a different shade of blonde, but it does show on the box that light brown gets lighter, dark blonde gets lighter, and blonde gets lighter. So I think some of my hair is like between these two, and I think that there's a chance it could kind of brighten me up, and I guess it will only last 4 to 6 weeks. It does include hydrogen peroxide. However, it is ammonia free and vegan. There's no sulfates, parabens, gluten. It's cruelty free, so we're still gonna give it a try. And it does contain chamomile, lavender, ginseng, aloe. Okay, you can follow this brand on Instagram or TikTok at ColorMeHallie, and we are going to give it a try today. I think it's supposed to be really gentle on the hair, and even though it might not technically be bleach free, I really need to try it. So it's very upfront. It lets you know right on the box what is included, and that is foaming developer, atomic blonde shade, and gloves. So also this was $15. I usually get 2 of whatever I'm trying to make sure that I fully saturate, but this was more expensive. Usually the ones I get are around $9 to $11. So because this was $15, I just stuck with 1 today. Check it out. This is the No Mess foam. And fun fact, the gloves are latex free. So the directions are right on the box. Holy crap, the color looks like some orangish. Oh my gosh, it looks like orange Kool-Aid or something. And it smells kind of like, it doesn't smell bad at all. Shake it up. Alright guys, I almost forgot about doing a full before so that we can see any results that occur. We can do side by side. Alright, so I'm not sure how long we're leaving it on for. I did find this little pamphlet. Alrighty, leave on for 30 minutes. It's so foamy. Alright guys, I think I'm done. I realized that the product is probably not doing anything on my darker spots. I get that, I don't expect it to. But for now, I'm going to let this settle for 30 minutes. Alright guys, don't look at my eye makeup. Full disclosure, it's been over an hour. I'm getting some like toning vibes on some of the blondes. Here guys, this conclusion is going to be the death of me because we're trying to get out the door for church and my son is whining his head off. This is the next day. So what happened was I ended up leaving the product on longer, which I usually always do. So I left it on for almost an hour. I don't know where I put my bottle, but it feels like there's a lot of product still in there. That's what I did, and here's the results. So I believe the results are subtle, but they're there, and I'll let you guys see for yourself. Overall, I am happy with my hair today though, and I'm feeling more like a blonde. Like I feel like I'm a dark, dirty blonde. And yeah, let me know what you guys think and if you tried any of the cloud colors.